Hi, good morning, everyone. This is Tom Flax from Nest City Junior Senior High School. Uh, Enrollment information has all been mailed out, and I know it's been received by many of you as we're starting to get some questions coming into the office here on how to go about doing the online enrollment. So I thought I'd take a few minutes here to try to walk you through enrolling online using the PowerSchool student management system that we have here at Nest City Schools. So anyway, I know we're getting several different questions that we're having here. The first thing I would just do is if you go to our home page on our web page, nestcityschools.org. I think this is probably the easiest way. At the very top, you see there's a link here for PowerSchool. We have several links there, but go ahead and click the one for PowerSchool. Now it's going to open up this window here where you log on. All right, all of our returning students and even our new students that we know have already reached out to us, you should have a user name and password to set up for this account. If not, then you will need to click this tab right here for create account. All right, again, most of you, I should say, should already have your account. If you need to create the account, you go ahead and give us a phone call here at school, 798-3991, and we can help you if you need to create the account. All right, so first things, we'll just go ahead and sign in. If you have forgot your username or password, we can help you with your username, but your password is unique to you. We can reset that for you, so contact us and we'll reset your password, and then you'll reset it again as you set your own password. But anyway, on that information. So let me try to see if I can't move this over a little bit so you can see my full screen there. All right. Once you get logged in to the PowerSchool, you should see something like this. Most of the returning students, you're going to actually see the actual schedule listed here. I just created this demo student that I'm going to show with this for the enrollment process, and you'll see the student's name right here. And here, this demo student course's name is Demo there. You can click that there. If you have 3 or 4 students, you'll see all of the names listed across this blue tab right there, and you'll be able to click each one of those tabs for all the students. All right, now along the left hand side there is several different things that you can look at. What we're concerned with for the enrollment process is the one down here called e-registration. So if you click e-registration, it'll take you to a screen that looks something like this. All right, now for our Hispanic families that would prefer a language of Spanish, I'm going to move this screen back over a little bit there. You can change the language right here to whichever, if you want to go Spanish or whatever language that you prefer. It will default to English, and that's where it's at right now. So I'll do the video in English, but again, if you would want to change that to Spanish, if Spanish is your dominant language, and please do that, and then all of this will translate over for you. All right, try to make that a little bit more there. Here's some instructions for the e-registration, that same thing that was in your enrollment packet. All right, as we go through this, information that is on file is in this column right here, on file with school. All right, if you need to change any of this information, for example, let's say I don't have a primary phone number listed here, so I would put the phone number listed right here if I want to type in a phone number. Again, this is a demo student, so there's not going to be a whole lot of information on this. But anyway, anything that's not correct, change over here on the right, make changes. And then again, I'll slide this back over. Each of these pages, you'll notice there's all these red tabs up here. This is the first page is demographics all the way through. You'll need to make sure you go through each page, click save, and then it's going to take you to the next one. All right, nothing really on the additional information. You can go ahead and click save. It'll take you to a home language survey that will ask that you please fill out. Drop down boxes. You can answer all these questions, and again, you'll click save on all these pages. Okay, and this will take you all the way through. And I'm not going to go ahead and do this now, but if you go all the way through and click save each page, from guardians, emergency, health, permissions, documents will be the big one. If you go to, it's not going to let me click on that right now until I go all the way through all that. But all the way through and until you hit the finish, and then you'll get a green check mark knowing that if you have completed your e-registration at the very end. Now, for those of you that have multiple students in our school system, you'll need to do this for each one. I only have the one student listed on my account here, but if you have 2 or 3 students in our school system, you'll need to do that for each of all of your students and go through all of these different pages. Again, clicking save at the bottom of each of those pages until you get a green check mark by each kid. Anyway, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. 785-798-3991 is the number here at school. You can email me, tom.flax, F-L-A-X, at usd303.org. And we'll try to get any of your questions answered. Again, I hope that helps. Don't like I say, don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.